Hello everyone, I'm Diviyeshan. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to recite a poem. Trees, trees, trees have a root and trunk and leaves. Trees, trees, trees have a buds and fruits and seeds. A home for birds and bees. A home for nest of flying birds. A home for bees and brown bats. A home for squirrel, bugs and snake. Trees give us all kind of fruit and wood for chairs, rubber for boots. They clean up the air and keep it fresh. Help us to breathe. They need only sunlight, soil and water, maybe a little love. Trees protect us, let's protect them too. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.